You can make a matrix using brackets and semicolons. In the last video, we covered stereo signals using brackets and semicolons. They were audio data. Now, let's talk about non-audio data. Suppose we want to make this 3x4 matrix. Open the bracket, type in the numbers on each row, 1, 6, 3, 0, semicolon, put the next row, and so on. When you're done, close the bracket. In Settings and Variables window, now you see A, and the size of A is 3x4. Double-click this, and you can see the individual values. Now, this is important to remember. In AUXLAB, a matrix is really a collection of arrays or vectors stacked on each row. In other words, you need to consider a matrix like this 3 groups of 4-element arrays. That means all functions are to be executed row-wise by default. For example, the function sum works like this. You get the summation of each row. The result is a column vector, a 3x1 matrix. The same goes for the function mean. Likewise, the sort function works per each row. In this case, the result is also a 3x4 matrix. You can transpose a matrix with single quotation just like MATLAB. Matrix multiplication is just as expected. If you have a matrix of n by n multiplied with n by p, then you get a matrix of n by p. Say we have a matrix B as shown here, 4 by 2. We already have matrix A, which is 3 by 4. Here, A times B means matrix multiplication. Now the result is a 3 by 2 matrix. Know that times matrix multiplication is different from arithmetic multiplication times. Matrix multiplication is allowed only if the column and row counts are right for both operands, just as you'd expect from mathematics. If they are not right, it'll give you an error message. Now, for regular or arithmetic multiplication just 1 times, the rule is more flexible in AUXLAB, so it gives you less errors than MATLAB. But the flip side of the coin is you need to know what you're doing. I'm making a separate video for that.